What is a concept map? Have you ever wondered how to visually organize your thoughts and ideas? Concept maps are a fantastic tool for doing just that. So, what exactly is a concept map? A concept map is a visual tool that helps organize and representing relationships between ideas, concepts, and terms. Think of it as a diagram that allows both students and teachers to see how different pieces of information connect with one another. These maps are especially helpful for students. They assist in organizing new information and making meaningful connections between main ideas and supporting details. This can be a game changer in the classroom. Now let's break down the basic components of a concept map. First, we have nodes. These are the boxes or circles that contain key terms or concepts. Then, there are links. These are the lines or arrows that connect the nodes to show relationships between ideas. Lastly, we have labels. These are words or phrases written along the links to describe the nature of the connections. So, how can you use concept maps in your teaching? Start by introducing students to visual organizers. For younger students, it is essential to explain how charts and diagrams work. Next, as you read through a text or discuss a topic, help students identify the major concepts or ideas. Once they have identified these ideas, encourage them to organize them into categories. Reminded them that their organization may change as they gather more information. After that, use lines or arrows to show how these ideas connect. It is best to limit the amount of information to avoid confusion. Finally, encourage students to share their maps and reflected on how they made connections between concepts. This sharing can lead to rich discussions and deeper understanding. Concept maps can be used across all subjects to help students organize information and see how different concepts relate to each other. They can also serve as an assessment tool. By observing how students connect different ideas, teachers can gauge their understanding of a topic. Additionally, concept maps can be a collaborative activity. Students can work together to create a shared understanding of a subject. This not only builds teamwork skills but also enhances their learning experience. Using concept maps can significantly improve comprehension. They help students visualize relationships, making complex information easier to grasp. They also encourage critical thinking by prompting students to make connections between ideas. One of the best parts is that concept maps are flexible. They can be adapted for any grade level and subject, making them a versatile tool for teachers. So, whether you are teaching science, history, or language arts, consider incorporating concept maps into your lessons. They can truly transform the way students learn and engage with material.